Always enjoy when customer brings their bike in, clutch ain't working. So everybody knows anytime somebody's running aftermarket levers, they almost always forget the bushing up top, but we always inspect the clutch, right? So pull the clutch cover, notice this. What exactly is going on here, sir? We got that case looking like that. I thought it was just going to be a clutch noise, especially with the way that looks. But we cut the oil filter open, and look at this. Started rapping, all of a sudden got a rap sheet last week in a cop car in the backseat, watching a familiar face that I knew past me. Jealousy draining my energy just like a gas leak. Bad day, Tommy.